Greetings, I'm John Blooking, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make your text bold, italics, underline, remove the styling, and just the basic stuff like that. So I've already gone to the About page here, and I can go to edit this page, or under Page Tools, edit this page. Either way, doesn't matter. Okay. Again, like in the past video, we're going to do Control tilde, or we can just simply click on the rich editor at the bottom right here. Alright, now your options on the rich toolbar here are going to be faded until we select some text, because you can't really change style if you haven't selected any text. So we're going to select Jab Creations here. I'm going to make it strong or bold, emphasized or italic. Nice and simple. Now, what you can do if you want to remove a style, it doesn't have to be selected. You just have the mouse, the keyboard caret, not the mouse cursor, the keyboard caret in the text, and we can click on emphasis to remove the emphasis, and we can click on strong to remove the strong, and there we go. Now, you can also have the keyboard options, obviously, because there's a bit of emphasis there. So I can do Control B for bold, Control I for italics, Control U for underline. Nice and simple. Thank you for watching.